Question is list all the elements of the following set. So first set is given as A is the set of the element x such that x is an odd natural number. Okay. See, two conditions are given. Odd natural number. We know natural number starts from 1, 2, 3 and so on. Now from out of these natural number we should select odd only. Okay. So we'll start from 1. Next odd number will be 3. Then 5, 7 and so on. Restriction is not given. That means less than 100 or less than 200 or less than 1000. Odd natural numbers. So since natural numbers are infinite, so odd natural numbers also will be infinite. So this set A, we can write elements as 1, 3, 5, comma, dot, dot, dot. This dot represent that this set is infinite. It has many such odd natural numbers. Set B is given as x such that x is an integer and value of x lies between -1/2 to 9/2. Now two conditions are given here. It is an integer and values lies between these two numbers. Now we know, suppose consider a real line, so -half, -1, half, 1, isn't it? Then 2 will come, here 3/2 will come, 5/2, 3. In between all real numbers will be there. Okay. But we want x between -1/2 to 9/2. So 9/2 value will be between 4 and 5. Isn't it? Because 9/2 is 4.5. So we have these many values. Many values are there. In between also many values are there. Okay. But what we want? Only integer. So between -half and 9/2. What are the integers here? 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Isn't it? So element for this set B will be 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Question C is the set of all elements of x such that x is an integer and x square is less than equal to 4. X is an integer means it will have positive value also, negative value also, but condition is that its square should be less than or equal to 4. So see here, suppose -3 square, if you suppose, it will give 9. -2 square will be 4. -1 square will be 1. 0 means 0 only. 1 square will be 1. 2 square will be 4. 3 square will be 9. So now consider, see, -3 if you take, you are getting a square greater than 4. So this won't come. If positive 3 you are taking, so square is greater than 4. So these won't come. Now which all elements have square less than or equal to 4? So these 4 elements, and 0 also is there. Isn't it? So our set will be not square. See, our set is element x only, not square elements. So these won't come. What all elements will come? This one. So we can write -2, -1, 0, 1 and 2. Because after this -4 also if you consider, +4 also you will consider, then you will get greater than equal to 4. So only these values are giving square as less than or equal to 4. So this will be the required set. D set is defined as x such that x is a letter in the word loyal. So we can write directly, and that we should remember that in roster method elements should not be repeated. So L, comma, second is Y, then A. Okay, then L is repeating, so we will not write L. So these all elements will make set D. Set E is defined as it contains all elements x such that x is a month name not having 31 days. So we should start writing from February, isn't it? Because Feb month doesn't have 31 days, maybe 28 or 29. Then next will come April, June, September, November. Okay. So these months are not having 31 days. Less than 31 days they are having. Set F is defined as x, where x is a consonant in English alphabet which precedes k. Means before k, what are the alphabets will come here? We can write A, B, C, D. Okay. K won't come. Precedes k means all these alphabets. Isn't it? Now in this also one more condition is given, consonant. X is a consonant. That means vowels won't come. So this A will go, I will go. E also will go. So what are the elements will be left? B, C, D, F, G, H, J. Okay. So these elements will make a set F. So F set will be B, C, D, F, G, H and J.